Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Can I use your phone?
Sure, here you go.
Can I use your phone?
Sure, here you go.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake cookies.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake cookies.
What do you do?
I'm an doctor.
What do you do?
I'm an doctor.
Do you like travel?
Yes, I like travel.
Do you like travel?
Yes, I like travel.
Are you happy?
No, I am not happy.
Are you happy?
No, I am not happy.
What does this mean?
That means friends.
What does this mean?
That means friends.
What are you doing?
I'm studying for my exam.
What are you doing?
I'm studying for my exam.
How was the trip?
It was so fun.
How was the trip?
It was so fun.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is mango juice.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is mango juice.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my room.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my room.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What day is today?
Today is Sunday.
What day is today?
Today is Sunday.
Where did you go?
I went to the post office.
Where did you go?
I went to the post office.
What is she smelling?
She is smelling the flowers.
What is she smelling?
She is smelling the flowers.
Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am busy.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am busy.
Do you feel sick?
No, I feel fine.
Do you feel sick?
No, I feel fine.
Do you know him?
Yes, she is my grandmother.
Do you know him?
Yes, she is my grandmother.
Why are you sad?
Because my mother scolded me.
Why are you sad?
Because my mother scolded me.
What is she eating?
She is eating and vegetables.
What is she eating?
She is eating and vegetables.
What did you study in college?
I studied computer science.
What did you study in college?
I studied computer science.
What are they doing?
They are playing football.
What are they doing?
They are playing football. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.